Hi everyone, today we are going to show you our balcony cabin, room 14183 on Utopia of the Seas. We sit here on deck 14 and we will walk you through the room so you can see what it looks like.
Here is our room card. When we walk in, the first thing we do is turn on the lights. Right here on the wall is a full-length mirror, which is really convenient when you are getting ready. From here, you can also see the overall layout of the room.
On the right wall, there is a TV mounted on the wall. Next to it is a desk with a chair. Above the desk, there is a round mirror, and you can turn on the light around the mirror. Under the mirror, there are a lot of charging outlets, which is really convenient. You get 3 US outlets, 2 USB outlets, 2 European outlets, so there are plenty of places to charge phones, watches, or other devices, which is really nice.
Next to the desk is another cabinet area. When you open the drawer, you will find the hair dryer inside. Below that is a small fridge, where you can keep drinks or snacks.
Now let's step outside to the balcony. One nice thing about this room is that it's on a higher deck, deck 14. From here, you can actually look up and see the activity on the little deck, which is pretty fun during the day. Our balcony also faces the central park area of the ship, so it feels quiet and relaxing. It's a great spot to sit, relax, and enjoy the ocean air.
Back inside the room, there is a sofa, and at night, it can expand into a bed. Next to the sofa is a large closet cabinet. Inside the closet, you will find 2 bathrobes, and there are also plenty of hangers for your clothes. Here is a queen-size bed. On each side of the bed, there is a small bedside table with a lamp. Each side also has a US outlet, which makes charging devices overnight very easy.
On the other side of the bed, there's another large cabinet. Inside, you will find the safety box, where you can store your important items like passports or valuables.
Now let's take a look at the bathroom. The blue flower design on the wall is really beautiful. The shower area has a glass door. And it also comes with body wash and shampoo, so you don't necessarily need to bring your own.
Overall, this balcony cabin was very comfortable for our family during the cruise. If you are planning a trip on Utopia of the Seas, hopefully this gives you a good idea of what the room looks like. And the best part, We booked this balcony cabin for 4 people for only $643, including taxes and fees. If you want to know how we did it, please check my other videos in the channel.